A couple of days ago, I got limited originality of content violation on my Facebook page. In this video, we're going to talk about why I got it and also how I fixed it in 2 days. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so let's look at this on one of my pages. You can see iSocialU. I got restricted monetization just a couple of days ago. Today's May 25th. This came on May 21st or 22nd. But what this error says, they detected unoriginal repurposed content with limited added value. So this happened last year too, when by mistake I posted TikTok video with watermark on it, which is a big no. Do not post videos or reels on Facebook that has watermarks from other apps or social media channels. Don't do that. But this time it's different. It's the error, or the reason I think I got the violation. It's really interesting. It's a pop quiz for you. I'm going to show you, and I think there's a lesson that you can learn from here, especially if you're creating content on Facebook, if you're posting reels. So let me show you that first, and then we'll talk about the steps I took to fix it, to get it fixed. It's fixed now. So here's the reel on my page. The font you can recognize if you post content, if you create content, the font is from Facebook. So this reel I created on Facebook, and the fonts are all used from Facebook. Here you go. Here's another one. Here's another one. And then if I scroll down, you'll notice this video right here. I posted this on May 20th, and you'll be able to see the font. This video I actually made not on Facebook by using the Facebook app. I made this reel on Instagram. Here you go. So that font is from Instagram. So I made this on Instagram Reels, downloaded it, and then posted it on my Facebook page on May 20th, and then May 22nd or 21st, the late on 21st or early morning on 22nd is when I got that violation of LOC. So lesson I learned was, if you are creating content on Facebook, and if you want to repurpose, maybe the best idea is to post your content on Facebook Reels first and then repurpose to other channel instead of going the other way around. The mistake I made, most of the content I actually always create, here is font from Facebook. Here is another, this is actually from CapCut here, but there's no logo here. It's a really straight font. Here is the font from Facebook. So almost all of the content that I create on this page, I create on Facebook app. Sometimes I create in CapCut, but I really use basic fonts, and also I make sure there's no logos on it. But the mistake I made on May 20th was I created on Instagram. I used Instagram font, and then I downloaded and uploaded on Facebook, which triggered that error. Now, to get it fixed, there are a couple of things I did. Number one, I reached out to the Facebook support team, but honestly, they gave me some links to follow. So they gave me this link, and they basically said just fill out this form. So the person I spoke with, the support team from Facebook, it wasn't that helpful. I was kind of disappointed, but they gave me this link, and when I followed the instruction, it basically took me to Facebook Creator Studio, which is right here. So it's business.facebook.com/Creator Studio, or you can also just search on Google Creator Studio Facebook and then log in. And then what's interesting is, let me actually go to that page. So I'm gonna select all, view, and then you want to go to monetization, and then the policy issues. And actually you'll have to select let me select that page. I have several different pages. So here's the page. So right here, and you can tell from the screenshot, this is the screenshot I took. This is monetization and the policy issue, and this is the issue I had. So what I did was I requested review. So step one, I spoke with Facebook's rep. I explained that, hey, all of my content is original. I'm not reusing any content. I'm not repurposing any content. It's all created by me. So why do I have this error? So the person didn't explain this to me. She just gave me the link, this form, but it took me to the Facebook Creator Studio. And what I did was I requested a review. And when I did that, it basically said they will review it within 24 to 48 hours. And then within 24 hours, the violation was clear. So now when I go to my monetization and policy issue for that Facebook page, it's all gone, and all of my monetization tools are green. Look at this. It's making money now. All the violations are gone. So this is how I was able to get rid of it. Number one, I spoke with the Facebook rep, and number two, I went to the Creator Studio monetization policy issue for that page, and I requested a review. Within 24 hours, it was all gone. So stepping back, the lesson is, if you're posting content on your Facebook page for Facebook Reels, ideally, I am always going to create content inside my Facebook app. I'm not going to post on any other platform and then post on Facebook. I'm going to create in Facebook, and then maybe I'll repurpose on other platforms, because I think other platforms are lenient. Facebook is really, really strict. So, and make sure the fonts that you're using, make sure there are no logos on your Facebook Reels, and also make sure the fonts are from Facebook mobile app. That's the huge lesson that I learned from this experience. Now, if you have any question about Facebook Reels monetization, let me know. I am creating content on Facebook on a lot of different pages, and even though the monetization Reels Play bonus is gone, but guess what? You can still monetize with the in-stream ads and also the ads on Reels. So you can still make money by posting Reels on Facebook page. If you have any question, if you want to learn more about those, let me know in the comments, and I can create more content about those topics. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.